Looking for a compact yet powerful computing solution? Look no further than the Intel NUC8 mainstream kit, featuring the 8th generation Intel Core i5-8259U processor and Intel Iris Plus graphics 655. Whether you're into gaming, business tasks, or personal use, this mini PC delivers exceptional performance. With support for up to 32GB of DDR4 RAM and both PCIe NVMe and SATA SSDs, you can customize your setup to suit your needs perfectly. The M.2 and 2.5-inch drive options ensure ample storage space for all your files, while the dual-channel memory support enhances multitasking capabilities. One of the standout features of the NUC8 is its compact design. Despite its small size, it packs a punch, making it ideal for those who need power without sacrificing space. Plus, it's easy to set up and can fit seamlessly into any environment, whether it's your home office or living room setup. Windows 10 compatibility ensures smooth operation and access to a wide range of software, making it versatile for various applications. Whether you're editing documents, streaming media, or immersing yourself in gaming, the NUC8 handles it all with ease. In terms of performance, the Intel Core i5 processor and Iris Plus graphics deliver impressive results. From everyday tasks to more demanding applications in gaming, you'll experience smooth performance and stunning visuals. Overall, the Intel NUC8 mainstream kit, NUC8i5BEH, is a powerhouse in a compact form factor. With its impressive performance, customizable storage options, and sleek design, it's the perfect choice for anyone in need of a versatile and space-saving computing solution. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.